Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to today's edition of arbitrage betting lectures on how to find free arbitrage bets and how to find free softwares on arbitrage bets and how to find softwares that can offer you arbitrage bets. Once again, my name is Agility, and this is my channel Agility Digest. On here, Agility Digest, I teach people how to make money through simple betting techniques without losing their hard-earned currency. So today I'm going to be also talking extensively about arbitrage bets that I have always lectured people about. You guys here on how to find arbitrage bets and how to maximize them and make money. So if you're visiting this channel for the first time, Agility Digest, kindly subscribe to Agility Digest and turn on the notification bell so that you will get notified anytime I update new videos. So without wasting our time, I would like us to go down to business. So today I'm going to be giving you a lot of persons have been sending me messages, emails, messages on Telegram. I appreciate you guys. Been seeing your comments so far. I appreciate you guys. And I say thank you, a very big thank you to each and every one of you who have also subscribed to our channel, who have turned notification bells on. Today we've grown, and the channel is now 900 plus, close to 1,000. So I'm grateful. I appreciate and thank you so much for that. So today I am going to be giving you five hot softwares through which you can make money, through which you can find arbitrage bets. You understand? So I'm going to give you top five, and as time goes on, I'll still be dropping other softwares that you can use to make money through betting. So without wasting our time, I will be going down to business. So I will start with the number one that I have here. The first one that I have here today is Breaking Bets. So Breaking Bets is a software, is an arbitrage software finder. You understand? It's a software that helps you find arbitrage bets that can help you, make money through arbitrage betting. So here is Breaking Bets. So when you open Breaking Bet, you see there is a dash breaking-bet.com. Then you sign up, and then they have their monthly subscription is $12.99 dollars per month. So they have value bets and they have sure bets. So they help you. This is Breaking Bets here. So when you subscribe for their monthly this, if you look here, you can see 507000 apps now available. You understand? So one plus second to search, 12 plus spots, and 180 plus sites. You understand? So when this is actually a paid software, you understand? So if you look down here, you will understand what arbitrage bets actually means. Look with this arrow here, you can see that this comparison here is trying to explain to you what arbitrage bets look like. You understand? Let's say you started betting with 5,000 naira, then you played 1.2 odd and you won 6,200, and then the next day you won 6,800, and then the next day you lost. You understand that your money came down to 4,800, and then the next day you won, and the next day you lost again. You're now at 4,001. So you've had 18% decline. That is minus. Then if let's say you are doing arbitrage betting, and then in that arbitrage betting you started with 5,000, the next day you got 75, and then the next day you increase it to 120, 240, 300, and 405. You've gotten 8.1% capital increase. That's what arbitrage betting looks like. So if you're looking for a software that you can use to find arbitrage bets, kindly look out for Breaking Bets. I will be leaving a link. I'll be leaving a link in the description for you to subscribe to for you to register. If you want to register, I'll be leaving a link in the description. If you want to register on Breaking Bet and subscribe to their software, their subscription is 12.99 dollar monthly. This is actually the one of the cheapest so far. It's one of the cheapest, and it is number one as far as I'm concerned, because it has one of the best services ever in arbitrage betting finding. So their subscription is $12.99 per month, and that's that about that. So if you're looking for an arbitrage software that you can use to find arbitrage bets and maximize your profits through betting, this is number one. I recommend this to you. So that's that about breaking bets. So without wasting our time, we'll go down to the next one. Sorry, before we do that, if you've not subscribed to Agility Digest, kindly subscribe to Agility Digest and turn on notification bell so that you get notified every time I update new videos. So without wasting our time, we'll go down to Rebel Betting. Rebel Betting is the next in line here. This is Rebel Betting, and Rebel Betting is actually the most expensive. I no. Rebel Betting is expensive, but it's not the most expensive. So um it's one of the softwares that you can use to find arbitrage bets. You understand? So this is Rebel Betting. All you have to do is, you can see where it's written here, start my free trial. They have free trials for 14 days. When you open up the website rebelbetting.com, register with your email and password, enter your email and password, then you start free trial for 14 days. After that 14 days, then you can now start subscribing, and it is actually expensive. Rebel Betting is 129 euros monthly. That's what their monthly subscription looks like. So if you're looking for uh, a software that you can use to find arbitrage bets, I've always gotten, I've always gotten information from you guys that you guys want a software that you can use to to find arbitrage bets. So that's why I took out my time to extensively get these stuffs and then explain it for you how you can find this software. So that's about that. So without wasting our time, we'll still go down to the next in line, which is Bet Burger. Where is Bet Burger? Bet Burger. Is it Bet Burger? No, no. Odds Portal is the next one. So we are going to go down to Odds Portal. This is Odds Portal. It's one of the best. It's one of the best. This is actually one of the best softwares in finding arbitrage bets. You can see how properly elaborated, visible this website is. It is actually one of the biggest, and bet, trust me, this is the most expensive among all of them. Their subscription is 295 euros per month, and if you look very well here, you can see that it is worth it. You understand? So this is actually one of the best. Is the best, if not one of the best. This is the, if not the best, this is one of the best among softwares that can help you find arbitrage bets. So and they've always had a banker. If you look up here, you will see this. This is their banker for the day: Spartak Moscow, Zenit St. Petersburg. You can see what the odds look like. This is an arbitrage bet today. So they have 4.4 for home, and 4.16 for draw, and 1.88 for away. You understand? So this is an arbitrage bet. You understand? So they've already outlined that as their number one, bet for the day. So that's that. Aside that, there are still other ones. There is Royal Antwerp, who is already winning at 1-0. There is also uh this Nava Kalju at Estonia, who is playing 0-0 at 39 minutes. This is also an arbitrage bet. You understand? So that's that about that. So if you're looking for a software that you can use to find arbitrage bets, I think this is now before you. You can easily make your choice. I've shown you, this is Odds Portal. You can use this to find arbitrage bets. All you have to do is type www.oddsportal.com, Then when it opens, you register, you subscribe if you want to subscribe, and then that's that. And then you start getting notifications from them on how, on arbitrage matches of the day. And you can make as much money as you want to make on a daily basis. So odds um that's that about odds portal. So I said I'm going to give you five. This is the third one that I'm mentioning today. So we'll now go down to the fourth one, which is Surebet. This is Surebet. Surebet is one of the best, if not the best. You understand? It's actually the second in line in the ratings. You understand? So they take out their time to explain these things very well. There are some people who do not understand those signs, like 1x, 1x, 2x2. There are people who do not understand that. So if you look here now, you can see that this first match here they have here, the Consenza Calcio versus Vicenza Calcio, you can see that they have under one, that under one second team 1.83. You understand? What does it mean? This is telling you that the away team is expected to score less than one goal. You understand? They cannot score up to two goals. So this is very, very easy for, it's self-explanatory for anybody to understand what they actually mean here. You understand? So they are still telling you total equals to one second team. That's they might score one goal. You understand? And over one second team is basically concentrating on the second team, and you can see the odds here. So that's that about that. So this is very, very self-explanatory, and they take their time to explain these stuffs very well. If you watch very well, you understand them perfectly. And then that's that about sure bet. You see, they have a lot of these things. These are free. That's if you're looking for free arbitrage softwares. You can see these ones now. These ones are for free, and you can make your money from it. If you look at this one now, you can see Lugano St. Gallen. They've given you draw. They've given you that this match is expected to be a draw match. You understand? So that's that about that. So if you're looking for free softwares that you can use to find free arbitrage bets, I highly, highly recommend Surebet, because you can easily get them there. You understand? So that's that about Surebet. So we are going to go to the last one, but not the least, which is this fifth one I have, outlined here. The fifth one I have here is OddStorm. So if you're looking for software that you can use to make money online and win all your bets, I highly recommend OddStorm. You understand? OddStorm actually is one of my best. I've used them in on several occasions, and I've recommended them to people, and they've always won from them. So you can use OddStorm to make money from simple betting techniques. If you understand, if you still remember what I taught you guys, if you've been following trends, if you've been following my videos, I've already taught you guys how to use the arbitrage calculator, to stake on all the sides you want to stake. So I've already taught you guys how to do that. So using those calculator, and then the another thing is, some of these softwares also has calculator in them that you can use. It's still the same thing as the Surebet calculator I showed you guys before. Some of them has those services here. When you subscribe to their these softwares, you get those packages in there. So that's that about that. So without wasting your time, if you've not subscribed to Agility Digest, kindly subscribe to Agility Digest and turn on the notification bell, so that you will get notified anytime I update new videos. You understand? So, and that is that. So if you if you don't understand what I have explained here, kindly use the comment section to explain to me. If you need help in any way that you need assistance, kindly use the comment section. I will always respond to every single comment. You understand? And everybody can attest to that Agility Digest always responds to comments. You understand? So that's that about that. So thank you very much for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you subscribe and helping this channel to hit 1000 before the end of this month. We already closed there. Thank you so much. I so much appreciate and love you guys. Thank you so much. And in the comment section here, I have a link to subscribe to register with 1xbet. I actually partner with 1xbet, so you can use promo code suggest SAGESS, you know, to get 200% welcome bonus anytime you register new on 1xbet. SAGESS is my promo code. Do not forget that. You can use the link in the comment in the description below to also register on 1xbet. Thank you very much and do have a